Hello, hello. Happy, ano ba ngayon? Happy Saturday to all of us. How are you? How are you? Now I go out. I go with Madam. So before I go, let's make a video. Nandiyan na yata yung ano. Wait. Sir! Okay. Nandiyan na yung ano. Nandiyan na yung down. Taxi daw. Nandiyan na daw yung down. Taxi. Okay. Alay ko kabayo. Who paid what's that, sir? The taxi. Madam Noor? Dad? Okay. Mag-shoes muna tayo. Mag-shoes muna. Mag-shoes. Nandito na ba yung sleeper? Okay. Wala, bye-bye. So, nandiyan yung ano ni Celine. I bring already her pajama. Go. Ay, go na kasi nandiyan na raw. Yung taxi. Okay. Yan lang. Nasa na yung eyeglass natin. Mag-make eyeglass tayo. Kasi init, masyadong init. Ang eyeglass ang mata. Okay, ito na yung taxi daw. Hello, how do you do? Irakli pala ito. Sinabi niya. Hi!